A global world requires a global presence. At Ingeteam, we're ready for that. Our footprint runs from Europe to Asia and North and South America, offering both local and global capabilities and supplying equipment with the same high-quality standards and know-how when and where you need it. We are spread around the world, always near you. Ingeteam is a leading global technology partner. Being the #1 independent supplier of wind power converters and a world-leading wind generators partner, we can help you manage the full product lifecycle. We are committed to providing world-class power converters, Indar generators, control cabinets, SCADA systems, Ingeteam spare parts, repairs and technical support, as well as multi-brand repair and refurbishment services for onshore and offshore wind turbines. Our products and solutions can be as custom-made as you need them to be. At Ingeteam, we put you at the heart of everything we do. We are flexible in designs and R&D solutions, operations, different business models, or additional value-added services. We work closely with you. We listen actively to be ready to satisfy and anticipate your needs and requirements. We encourage innovative approaches in everything we do to constantly improve our proposals to you. We use our technology and innovation as a lever for growth and differentiation. Our people are central to our success. Only with their commitment and involvement can we give our best to you. We are convinced that clear, regular and transparent customer communications are fundamental to maintaining our reputation for excellent quality and customer satisfaction. We are here for you. At Ingeteam, we believe that in a global world, it's important to speak a common language. We speak wind.
Ingeteam, electrifying a sustainable future.